What's up, everybody? Welcome to Trash Panda Overland. If you've not been here before, my name is Chris, and today we are in the San Bernardino Mountains on a little solo adventure. I got my dog with me. He's in the passenger seat, and just gonna be a little relaxing, probably stop, have lunch. I'm on a trail I'm very familiar with out in pretty much my backyard. Stop at a lookout area that's about 3 miles up, have some lunch, relax, and just kind of take in the quiet. Sometimes you just need to get away a little bit, and what better place to do it? So let's get up there and we'll see how it is. Enjoy. We just got on the trail and I saw something run across the trail. Not sure what it was. Thinking it might have been a bobcat. If it was a bobcat, I hope it wasn't a mountain lion. Alright, I don't see it, so I think we're okay. Let's keep going. Well, here we are. We made it to the lookout point. I'm not going to go any further than this. And we're about 3 miles from the trailhead from where we started. And I think we're just going to hang out and just make some lunch and chill out. Just kind of take in the nothingness. But you can see the view over here. Still got some snow up on the mountains over there. That might be Mount Baldy. Possibly. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's back there. And I'm not sure what the peak I'm at. I'm not sure what this area is called. I know it has a name, but I'm not sure what it's called. So that's right though. But we're gonna hang out, set up a chair, set up the grill, and I'm gonna cook up some hot dogs. All right. So here we go. And I'm sure the dude's hungry. Yeah, dude. Well, I could say with absolute certainty that this was needed. This is a good way to recharge your batteries, go in the middle of nowhere. Sometimes you just need to get away, and that's what I did. Unfortunately, it was not a camping trip, and I had to do this one solo. My wife is at home taking care of a couple things, so here I am by myself, and just me and my road dog, who has done absolutely amazing. This is the first time in a while he's gone out by himself with us, so it was good. But for now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, pack up and head home. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave a comment or two. Tell me what you think. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Or let me know what you would like to see. I'm open for pretty much anything. But as far as that goes, sometimes you just need to recharge. And that's one way to do it. Get out there, do good things, be a good person. We'll see you on the next one. All right, have a good one. Bye.